Hello everyone, I'm Sheetal Nawal, founder of Aposh, a lifestyle design studio. I welcome everyone to our podcast series, the Navratri special, She Builds. Today's guest is Mrs. Ankita Parak. Ankita Parak, ma'am, I'm so happy to have you today with us. And what a perfect time during Diwali when we celebrate women in symbols of strength, wisdom, and compassion. It's an honor to have you here, ma'am, on our podcast, She Builds. How did you become the Ankita Parak that you are today? Something we count back and talk about your childhood, your growing up, parents, schooling.
आई थिंक आपने एक लेबल दे दिया द अंकिता पारक आई एम जस्ट अंकिता पारक born brought up in Delhi. My
Okay, Delhi,
roots belong to Rajasthan
of course.
and because दिल्ली में थी तो एक एक्सपोजर लेवल बहुत अच्छा था
Mm-hmm.
एंड आई थिंक हम वो जनरेशन है वेयर आई स्टिल बिलीव एंड फील सो कि जहाँ हम फैमिली वैल्यूज को भी उतनी इंपॉर्टेंस देते थे, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स को भी उतनी इंपॉर्टेंस देते थे, इकोसिस्टम भी बहुत मैटर करता था हमारे लिए, पेरेंट्स का वर्ड्स बहुत मैटर करता था एज कम्पेयर टू टुडेज
Today's
जनरेशन.
generation.
So I think childhood, it was very open for me. My family was always open to discussions, broad mindset, and even kabhi disputes hote the या disagreements hote the, there was always this approach, okay, it can be discussed and solved.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that approach has really inculcated a lot of values in me. And one thing that I've really enjoyed in my childhood is, and since परिवार बहुत बड़ा था, तो आई थिंक हम सब जगह से इतने कनेक्टेड थे, तो वो जर्नी में भी बहुत कुछ सीखा, भाई बहनों से सीखा, ऑल द रिलेटिव्स दैट वी हैड. सो चाइल्ड वाज क्वाइट एक्साइटिंग, क्वाइट ओपन. स्कूलिंग मेरी एमिटी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल से हुई थी,
Okay.
साकेत. Then I was wanting to pursue something in biotech. So we were the first batch of CBSE in school where biotech was introduced.
It was just introduced then.
Yeah, and I was hell-bent that I wanted to do this. Don't know why, but I just felt it was quite exciting new. And then I did my graduation and MTech in biotechnology from Amity University only. Because उस टाइम मेरे पास दो choices थी, या तो साउथ चले जाओ, मैं कहा दिल्ली छोड़ के मैं साउथ तो नहीं जाऊंगी. And I just wanted to be around family. I was
All
never
the
that
way from Delhi to
hostel,
South.
never that hostel person. I always wanted to be around my family and parents. And दादी के हाथ का खाना, this that, I think I would have never given up that. एंड एक चीज जो आई ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड एंड जो मेरे पेरेंट्स ने, स्पेशली मेरे फादर ने मुझमें इनकलकेट करी है कि तुम्हें तुम्हारा रास्ता खुद बनाना है.
Hmm.
तुम्हारे पास एक लेगेसी भी है, बट तुम्हें तुम्हारा रास्ता उसी को आगे डेवलप करना है. एंड आई फील सो ग्लैड दैट vision, that journey has continued post marriage also. So the core was the format of discussion, openness, that you could talk to your parents about everything. I think my father has been my best friend till date.
Okay.
That's been my childhood. I have a younger brother. We still fight like anything.
Siblings are meant for that.
Siblings are meant for that, yes.
They equally have that love chillin.
I don't know what is it, but we love to fight. Just love to fight.
Wonderful. So, ma'am, so I can see you as a more family wali person, and I think अभी भी आपके यहाँ पर family, it is more of a joint family, and ये जो आप values बोल रहे हैं, तो जो base जो आपको मिला है, those really reflect in your leadership, the sound leader that you become.
They do. I think, see, values build integrity and honesty. And my principles are very clear कि उसके बिना लाइफ में कुछ चलता
कुछ
नहीं
नहीं,
है.
लंबा नहीं चलेगा.
चलता ही नहीं है, मतलब वो पॉज हो जाता है. एंड वो वैल्यूज से ही आता है.
सही है. So what's inside that reflects automatically, and
It reflects in many ways. It reflects in everything. The way it reflects in your empathy, the way you deal with people, the way you want to handle situations. You can't be perfect every time, but sometimes you tend to make mistakes. But वो values say that you made a mistake, that puts you courage of saying sorry.
sorry, perfect. And
I think
that needs a lot of courage.
that needs a lot of courage.
Yeah.
वो value system से आती है, मेरा ऐसा मानना है.
Very true. Very true. Very nice to hear all this. So, आपने basically आपका background biotechnology से रहा है, and then you've done masters in healthcare management. So एक science का background हमेशा रहा है. So how has it been jumping from science to leadership roles now?
So when I actually biotech was purely out of passion जो मैंने किया, but जैसे आगे
So
बढ़ती
was
गई,
it, I interrupt, was it कि नया कुछ कोर्स आया है तो अपने को करना है, या you just had it कि नहीं ये बायोटेक करना ही है मेरे को?
नया भी था और करने की इच्छा थी, बिकॉज मैं उस टाइम बहुत एवेन्यूज एक्सप्लोर कर रही थी. मुझे ना डॉक्टर बनना था ना कन्वेंशनल इंजीनियर बनना था. आई थिंक अकाउंट्स फाइनेंस सीए थोड़े मेरे डोमेन के बाहर था. So I always had that belief that I wanted a science background. Biotech was quite interesting with, हमारे टाइम पे all that recombinant DNA technology was new. Then your genome crops were coming in. There was so much happening on the vaccine front. So I was quite excited about learning all those technologies. That time I didn't know कि मैं इसमें career pursue करूँगी नहीं करूँगी. मेरा as individual जो हमेशा goal रहा है, whether it's education, schooling, अभी or as mother, whatever I'm trying to impart to my children, content is important, but learn the skill set.
Hmm.
And in the world of, so जब वो start किया, focus था कि नया कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. उसमें बहुत avenues थे. Country was just booming into it. And
Exactly.
Delhi
काफी
में,
verticals हैं उसमें आगे.
Delhi and South में there were premium institutes in the country which were like ISC Bangalore ले लो आप, NII Delhi ले लो, IIT Delhi है. They were already pioneering in these things. तो एक वो thought process था. Second एक orientation clear थी कि research में तो नहीं जाना है.
Okay.
So while I was doing my course, मैं काफी research projects भी किए and I realized ये मेरा aptitude
मेरा
नहीं है.
डोमेन नहीं है.
Then towards the end of my education, I started mixing a lot of management activities into it.
Uh-huh.
And शुरू से, somewhere or the other, I have loved organizing or managing things.
Okay.
Not dictating, but organizing, managing, working in teams.
You made yourself clear, not dictating.
Yeah. So that dictatorship, I think, naturally comes over a period of time. Initially, वो approach थी, and then moving into healthcare was basically when I got married into this family. I've always been working. So, okay, first 1 year of marriage was all happy, gaga, go lucky. Then it was like something I need to do. And family touchwood here is very progressive.
Hmm.
All avenues were open for me. You want to do something of your own, get into the business. I took a dipstick into every domain, what kind of interests me.
Hmm.
And then I realized, I think no, healthcare is the vertical. Because somewhere directly, indirectly, मैं connected भी थी because of my biotech background.
Mm-hmm.
More than the knowledge base, I think it involved a lot of human interaction, which I really enjoy.
Yeah.
And I believe that
And
I
an
could
important
do,
aspect of management.
yeah, and I believed I could pursue my passion there. मतलब मैं वो चीज अच्छे से कर सकती हूँ, मुझे वहां विश्वास था.
जब आप एक्चुअली जब पढ़ाई कर रहे थे कॉलेज में, तो तब आपने कभी सोचा भी था कि यू वुड हेड हॉस्पिटल समडे?
मैंने मेरी लाइफ का कभी इतना लंबा प्लान नहीं बनाया था. मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि मैं अगले 4 साल 5 साल, मैंने कभी ऐसा प्लानिंग नहीं किया कि मुझे ना वो गोल सेट करना है 10 साल 5 साल. बट एक विजन था कि यार जो भी मैं करूंगी ना, मैं फुल ऑनेस्टी फुल कमिटमेंट के साथ करूंगी. उस आज के बच्चों को जितनी क्लैरिटी है ना, हम विजन्स बनाते रोड मैप, हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था. हमारे टाइम में इवन माय फादर डिडंट नो व्हाट आई वांटेड टू. ही सेड तुझे जो करना है तू कर, यू आर फ्री टू डू. तो मेरा ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं था या मैं ये करूंगी वो करूंगी. रास्ते खुलते गए, मैं उसमें मेहनत करती गई.
वाओ. सो आई पुट इट दिस वे, आप मेहनत करते गए तो रास्ते खुलते गए.
या कुड बी.
When we talk about Ankita Parak, there's a word comes to this name, healthpreneur. So we've heard of entrepreneur. So what is this healthpreneur?
So actually, this word came in one of our discussions. When this whole thought process of Ashoka getting into hospital. So when initially first hospital was there, I wasn't really that active. I was just very new in the family, on the way to motherhood. But I had kind of parked out, no, this is something that interests me and I would like to be part of it. And always, our leadership has always envisioned that, having family involvement is very important for that personalized touch. So जब ये चीज हुई, so we thought, now we are entering into this vertical, why don't we get into the direction of healthpreneurship? Health plus entrepreneurship. So that's how this word came into our mind, and that's why we are trying to take small steps into building quality healthcare in and around Nasik, around medical facilities, around education. So these are all small steps that we're trying to take further. Because kaisa hai na, parent company is very big. We are just a small baby. So we're just taking our own steps.
But each of these to us looked like a firm step.
Yes, we're taking with full clarity and planning these steps. I can say now we are planned.
Well, you are heading Ashoka Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Ashoka Mediover Hospital and new healthcare projects. So अगर आपकी दोनों angels को बताना होगा कि आप क्या करते हो, तो how would you explain your role in simple?
मेरे बच्चों को एक को तो पता है मम्मी सिर्फ हॉस्पिटल चलाती है, दूसरे को पता है मम्मी बहुत मेहनत करती है।
सही
तो
आपने बात
दोनों की ही वर्जन है, क्योंकि एक्चुअली मैंने एक बार उनसे पूछा था तुम्हें क्या लगता है मैं क्या करती हूँ,
हम्म
तो एक टाइम उन्होंने ये भी आंसर किया था आप सिर्फ लोगों को डांटती रहती
Oh my
हो।
God.
तो उनकी वर्जन ये हैं अभी, बट दे डू सी द काइंड ऑफ हार्ड वर्क दैट इज इन्वॉल्व एंड जैसे एक अपन ऑफलाइन बात कर रहे थे नो कि बेटी छोटी है हाउ डू यू मैनेज, आई थिंक वो इकोसिस्टम है, वो होम इकोसिस्टम है, बच्चों ने वो एक्सेप्टेंस किया है कि दिस इज वर्क टाइमिंग, दिस इज फैमिली टाइमिंग, सो दैट्स हाउ
Yeah, you've inculcated that and बच्चों ने भी वो accept किया. It's the
आई एम
both the
क्लियर इन
sides.
माई कम्युनिकेशन विद माई चिल्ड्रन, आई ट्राई टू बी वेरी क्लियर विद देम.
So you've equipped yourself with the right parenting skill set.
Equipment, no. Parenting skill, absolutely zero. Every day is very dynamic. Every hour is very dynamic. It's just by the minute, by the hour, I try to deal. I make my own mistakes. I learn from them. There is no parenting skill. I've stopped believing in the science of parenting skills.
Well, when we're talking about your day, your role, so how does your ideal day look like? सुबह आप उठते हैं, you're a yoga person, क्या? How does your day flow goes?
I'm a very, lazy when it comes to fitness and exercise. So suddenly a month will come where I will do everything, and suddenly something will come that I will not do anything. But usually we end up waking by 6,
Okay,
and whole house wakes up by 6 or 6:30. Then
very nice habit.
and since my husband is avid traveler, like he travels so often, so usually then morning time we get. Then elder one goes to school around 7:15. Then younger one has to go to school at 9. So I think morning is just around the kids, around the house
Until
with
5,
parents,
until 9.
9. And then I leave for office. I'm at work. Work, I'm quite organized and planned these days. I think I've just last 1.5 years been more of planning that I've done. Of course, sometimes since we're a big family, a big social circle, there are many commitments that do come in. So we try to manage both. At times we have to say no that we can't do it. But evening, once I'm home, it's about my family, about kids. But I think I enjoy that khichdi in life. बहुत चीजें busy चल रही हैं, that's me. If my life slows down, if a day, I can maximum take a day off in a month where only half day is okay for me. I need something or the other going on.
This
So
sounds very much
usually,
like me. अगर मैं भी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लंबा break ले लूँ, I feel my mind eats me up. So I need to keep myself engaged, and I enjoy being that.
so to the contrary, like if you have to take a 10-day vacation after 5 7 days, I'm like, what to
Yeah,
do now? So
very
day is
much
normal,
relatable to
just
me.
like a normal person. Normal family we are. We have a family times, time with kids, fighting with my girls. So just goes like that.
Wow. So, what part of this whole day you are like completely energetic and you enjoy it the most?
Mornings.
Mornings. And which is usually the time where you need to push yourself, you motivate yourself.
After 9:30 in the night, if I have to do something.
In 2017, you were invited by Niti Aayog to meet Shri Narendra Ji Modi, our PM, as part of this Champions of Change program. So that must surely have been a proud moment. So for a layman like me, what is this about?
So, this really appreciate this about Modi ji and government. They were trying to bring in a lot of young leaders with established leaders. They were trying to build in something from the public and the private sector. So they invited some 200, roughly around 200 people from India and around, and Indians accomplished outside India, across the age band of young generation to the senior generation, to the category like Vijay Shekhar Sharma was there, Zomato, your not paperboard, this Book My Show.
Okay.
So different, and they had created these different categories. One was on the digital, one was in the infra, and it was a very organized format led by Mr. Amitabh Ji Kant, who was heading Niti
Okay.
Aayog that time. And the whole perspective was, what is the new ideas that younger generation and these business houses can bring on the table.
Okay.
So that time we had just submitted some proposal. I didn't even know how I got shortlisted and how all this happened. There was some proposal I was trying to work on, and how we can make uh, procurement of equipments more structured and organized into public sector with the
Yeah.
research organizations, because that's how मैं उस sector में काम कर रही थी.
And आपका presentation इसी सिलसिले में था.
हाँ, इसी में था. Then I was put into a digital category group
हाँ,
where I think everybody is quite learned. When I like my group leaders were like Vani Kola, Vijay Shekhar Sharma, but that whole journey was very interesting, and we got one-to-one uh, table time with the Prime Minister. Like our group got one-to-one table time with Prime
Great.
Minister. There were great insights. So I think that was kind of a highly motivating point in my life कि मैंने कभी ये सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसा होगा. तो that gave me a lot of confidence कि नहीं यार मैं कर सकती हूँ, मैं और कर सकती हूँ. Just that बस
So that gave
करते
you
रहो.
a
Yeah,
high morale
these
kick
are like
there.
boost. It's a
Yeah,
morale
boost.
kick.
Yeah.
कभी सोचा ही नहीं था ना ऐसी चीज होगी.
So after such presentation, how do you think that what the I guess your presentation was this logistic solution in scientific
Yeah.
industry, and how is this working in health industry currently?
Different scale of organization have different modalities of working.
Yeah.
So if you see like a normal nursing home or a standalone hospital has a different pattern. If you see large corporates like say Medicover or Apollo, they have different patterns. Though logistics is very organized, but सबकी क्या होती है ना, it's a game of buying power.
As in?
The more larger you are, the more negotiating power you get. And then everything builds in, the logistics build in, your
आपका purchasing उतना होता है, so you
purchasing
can
उतना है,
command the
yeah, logistics आपकी better हो जाती है. And in healthcare industry, from a 10 रुपए का product, you're dealing to 10 करोड़ का product और 20 करोड़ का product. Variety बहुत ज़्यादा है, consumables बहुत ज़्यादा है.
correct.
तो सेक्टर ऑर्गेनाइज भी है, उतना अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड भी है. मार्केट में प्लेयर्स बहुत ज्यादा है, रोज नए ड्रग्स आ रहे हैं. तो स्टिल इट इज नॉट अ वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड aspect but very organized still, but it's a very individual organization driven approach how you want to follow it.
Yeah.
There are systems, there are softwares that you can make logistics very organized, you can make your procurement very clean, but everything comes with a cost.
So are we working with some the way you are saying softwares into logistics? Are we working in such
We are
thing
not working
currently?
for any specific software into logistics, but we are trying to build our in-house systems foolproof to ensure our procurements and our logistics are very streamlined. So we have just recently now started commissioning those.
Okay. Well, so did meeting Narendra Ji Modi now you has changed the way you see yourself as a leader?
Somehow, honestly speaking, I don't see myself as a leader. I just feel मैं रोज जाती हूँ, I want to show up, keep working. So वो जब leader word tag होता है ना, वो somehow makes me little uncomfortable.
And that's a sign of a leader.
I don't know. I just feel मुझे मेरा काम करना है. That's it.
Wonderful. That's the leader in you speaking up.
I don't know, but
Okay, ma'am, you've received many awards, accolades, recognitions, and you've even convened national events, international events. So my first question would be, how do you do all this?
I think it's been terrific family support. Two things. It's a combination of my passion to do everything, whatever I intend to, and it's been a terrific family support. My husband's extremely cooperative with whatever I intend to do.
Mr. Aditya.
Yeah,
Anand.
but of course he's a father when it comes to kids. My house ecosystem, my mother-in-law, father-in-law, my parents are very progressive in approach. So they would never say, don't do this. Your priority is house. They will, as a family, then we try to figure out if I have to do this, how we can manage things. Of course, there are ups and downs. सब कुछ possible नहीं है life में. And I think वो मेरे बच्चे भी अब support करते हैं कि हाँ आपको कुछ करना है आप करो. तो वो ecosystem बहुत important है. मैंने कहा ना passion, and वो passion जब family भी देखती है तो they also try and
They also
support your passion.
Very true.
And now times have changed. We are not into 10 years back time. कि a daughter-in-law is supposed to be a daughter-in-law. And I think when I got married into this family, then that was never the approach. I've always been kept above a daughter, I would say.
So blessed you and blessed
Yeah.
Parak. Yeah. Out of all these recognitions that you've received and the awards, which one is very close to your heart, which you feel pride in?
Actually, none of them. So I think one of the most proud moment for me was my elder daughter Ariana was just hardly 9 months, and मतलब वो she was born होते ही, and I'm like 2 months, the baby is home, I'm home, and I was just talking to dad, I need to do something, and that time my father-in-law was heading Jito. He was
हाँ.
working as secretary. He was like up on the post of secretary general there, and he was intending to convene this conference in Silicon Valley,
Okay.
and which was a game changer for the organization also. And I said, okay, आप ये कर रहे हो, जो भी काम है छोटा बड़ा मैं कर लूंगी. He said, ठीक है. धीरे धीरे I started because it was more यहाँ से बैठ के online ही काम करना था, घर से ही करना था. So I said I can manage my baby also. And that time motherhood was new for me. First child, you always everybody's over the top.
You are a novice.
Yeah. So as I started, and I think dad also saw, that how I'm taking it, how I'm involving, putting my thought to it, coordinating with the leaders in US, like uh, from our community. And then we had speakers like John Chambers was one of our main speakers, and big names from the Silicon Valley were there. तो वो जो जर्नी थी ना, उसमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, करने को मिला, और शायद मेरी उस टाइम एक्सपेक्टेशन भी नहीं थी कि मैं बच्चे को छोड़ के सिलिकन वैली जाने वाली हूँ. आई वाज लाइक मैं बैक एंड पे काम कर रही हूँ. एंड व्हेन द टाइम केम, इवेंचुअली आई वाज प्रैक्टिकली कन्वीनिंग द होल कॉन्फ्रेंस अलोंग, मतलब डैड के साथ. वो जो 3 दिन
Was
का
this
इवेंट था,
online then?
नो इट वाज इन यूएस, इन सिलिकन वैली.
Okay.
So it was a 3-day event at Marriott in San Jose. And वो जो 3 दिन की जर्नी में, that time na Jito didn't have many female members. It was quite male oriented organization. We were hardly some 10-15 females. I never realized one accomplishment for me was that until then people didn't know that my father is not my father-in-law, he's my father. So I think that spoke a lot.
Yeah.
And second, I didn't expect that when everybody gave me a standing ovation in front of such leaders.
Wow.
I wasn't expecting it. So I think that was something that very, very stays close to, stays very close to my heart.
Of course, I can feel
That moment, that whole journey we went through, that learning that happened, and that also made a lot of my own individuality into the organization. So thanks to dad for that, totally. That's very close to me. That's something I think one of my real, and then, and then you keep seeing, all the new things that you do when the cancer hospital was launched. That was the first building I constructed. And I still don't know how our leadership said, you go and make this building. I didn't even know cement का सी क्या होता है. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. गिर के, रो के, झगड़ा करके, कोशिश करके, बहुत सारा सपोर्ट सिस्टम के साथ जब वो बिल्डिंग बनी थी, तब बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ था. गलतियां भी करी, बट हाँ सीख के बाहर निकले. उसको कोई अवार्ड से रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया जा सकता. वो एक मोमेंट इमोशन है जो
I can see that in your face, in your eyes right now.
So
this is what is a sign of a true leader कि जो सब different areas what you spoke of, and हर जगह बस you jumped in, learned and came out victorious.
So like you mentioned, at times I look at, I said, what did I study? What am I doing? Where am I? There is absolutely कोई correlation नहीं है. मैं healthcare में जाऊंगी कभी सोचा भी नहीं था.
You're currently also working actively in Jito.
So not this term. Previously, I've been very active on a lot of projects in Jito, national, international, on forums also. For last 2 years, I think I've been a little slow down. I think I want to be a mom right now. And my work priorities, family priorities are more important for me than this. But yes, I think Jito is a fabulous platform, and the power of gen to gen connect. Never seen any, not to disrespect, but I've never seen this in any other community. The kind of power that Jito platform gives to each individual.
When you talk about being a part of this platform, and how does this influence your journey as a healthcare leader?
So there are so many, opportunities, business opportunities that just come on the table because of being in the same community. This is another power of the community is trust. Yeah. Even if you're sitting here right now, if I call somebody in Calcutta who I don't know, if I just say I'm a Jito member from Nasik, you see the tone and the respect.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just change. And same if anybody calls us from Raipur for anything or any other small, if he says I'm a Jeeto Mein, the whole approach changes.
Uh-huh.
So, like that says, and as an organization, as Ashoka also, there are a lot of community businesses that we do, a lot of projects we do within the community, a lot of procurement that we do within the community.
Okay.
So we are with that backbone, we should uplift our community. And since
That's a great thought, yeah.
our leadership is foundation, like Chairman Sir Ashok Uncle, he's been the founding members of Jito. So that value inculcates into the family.
Into the whole Ashoka group.
Yeah. So Jito is very, very, Jito is family for us.
Well, one of your projects at Jito Center for Excellence, you helped bring about Harvard Business School online programs. So what was this about and how did this idea crop up?
So some 4 years back, Jito, the team wanted to do something new. And this whole concept of Coursera, EduNext, online learning was there. But, everybody cannot come with an affordability.
Of course.
So not we, matlab the team and the leadership, they just all decided that, we'll launch a digital initiative, Center for Excellence, which will focus on skill development and learning initiatives, which is going to be a combination of your IB institutes to upskilling.
IB institutes are?
Like Harvard ho gaya, aapka Ivy League colleges.
Okay, Ivy League.
Then we did some programs with IIM Ahmedabad. We did some program with IIM Bangalore.
Okay.
Then we did, so that's how this whole concept started. So ours was the first term when we were doing it. And that time the whole approach was, what is the value, educational value that we can bring to our members. And we divided our zones into 2 categories. One is for the bigger business houses. One is for the regular aspiring individuals.
Okay.
So there, we could get something from IIM Ahmedabad. IIM Ahmedabad जाने का सबका dream रहता है.
Yeah.
So we could get a good deal with them, do an on-campus program with them. Similarly,
so are they still on?
Yes, now a different team is leading it. I'm not active into it.
Okay.
Then we started with Harvard Initiative. We collaborated Harvard.
And this is only for the Jito members or?
Only for the Jito members. Only for the Jito members. Okay. And Jain community, yeah. Okay. Some programs we do launch for Jains who are not part of the Jito membership forum. And that's how Harvard happened. Then we did a lot of skill development programs. And saying this term, I think the team is doing a fabulous job. They've launched this whole series of online education for skilling. That's actually converting into employment.
Oh.
So we started with a very small thought ki karna hai, and now it's grown over the years with different leaderships onto the forum. Yes.
Wonderful. Well, you look after the Ashoka Cancer Center of America here in Nasik. So cancer care is much about this emotional. It is more of a challenging space. So firstly, why was this need felt to have a hospital dedicated to cancer patients in Nasik when there are other players in the field?
So I think this credit goes to a long-term vision of our Honorable Chairman, Sir, Ashok Kataria, Sir. He's always had the thing wanting to giving back to his roots.
Yeah.
So that's how हॉस्पिटल का जब ये कैंपस आया था पता भी नहीं था इसमें हॉस्पिटल बनेगा. पहले कैंपस आया, फिर 2018 में अशोका मेडिकवर आया. हमें हॉस्पिटल चलाना नहीं आता था, हमें बिल्डिंग बनानी आती थी. अच्छी सी बिल्डिंग बनाई and we are blessed to have partners like Medicover. They are Hyderabad based chain. And they also trusted us and came here कि चलो हम भी यहाँ करते हैं. And I think that kind of changed the healthcare scenario in Nasik in 2018. With the infrastructure, with the approach, systems, processes, everything, doctors, clinical team बहुत important रहती है.
सब अच्छी होते हैं, मैं भी हैदराबाद से हूँ.
And हैदराबाद तो गढ़ है हेल्थकेयर का. तो ऐसे हुआ. And कैंसर हॉस्पिटल तब से ही दिमाग में था. कैंपस में तब से ही 3 हॉस्पिटल्स की प्लानिंग थी हमारी. तो अशोका मेडिकल पहले था, where we only wanted to focus on super speciality. कैंसर एंड एक सुपर स्पेशलिटी की हैंडलिंग में बहुत फर्क है. कहते हैं ना एक फास्ट पेस्ड लाइफ, एक स्लो पेस्ड लाइफ. कैंसर इज अ स्लो डिजीज, सुपर स्पेशलिटी इज अ फास्ट टर्न अराउंड. सिंस हैंडलिंग में अप्रोचेस में दोनों डिफरेंट है, एंड वी वांटेड वेरी स्पेशलाइज्ड प्लेयर लाइक मेडिकवर वाज स्पेशलाइज्ड विद सुपर स्पेशलिटी. वी वांटेड somebody to collaborate with somebody who's very core in that area. And I think we are blessed. We got partners like Cancer Centers of America who come from the lineage of AOI. And the group formed by Indian origin American based oncologist. And considering US is far advanced in oncology than we are currently in India, So हमें जैसे ही right collaboration मिली, we said, oh, this is the time to get into it because city में need है, Maharashtra में need है.
Yeah.
And Maharashtra was lacking an complete comprehensive center. There are only one or two players who've been here in the market, who've been doing great, and who've turned around the city landscape into cancer.
Yeah.
So if you consider on the demand and supply situation, yes. And now with all 5Gs and 4Gs and the way lifestyles are, data states that cancer is going to be one person per house in the coming time.
Yeah.
So it has to be accessible, affordable. That's how cancer started. Cancer hospital started.
And how do you say that this hospital is different from the others? When the patient walks in, what is the difference that they would feel here?
We want to build a culture. I think that's where we don't want to treat a patient as a patient. Especially in cancer, because it's a journey that the individual and the family goes with that person.
Exactly. So cancer is not just about the medical treatment.
It's just not about the medical treatment.
It is, it's more about the dignity and the comfort.
Yeah, it's comfort, it's empathy, patience. It's a lot.
Yeah. So in this hospital, is it just about the ट्रीटमेंट जैसे कि रेडियोलॉजी हो गया, रेडिएशन हो गया, इसमें केमो हो गया, या फिर इसमें जो पोस्ट सपोर्ट भी नीडेड है, सो इमोशनल सपोर्ट भी इसमें बहुत लगता है, तो आर वी आल्सो?
Yes, we are very much doing that. We have counselors on board.
Okay.
And हैंडलिंग ही अलग है.
Of course. That
आप उनको ऐसे हैंडल कर रहे हो जैसे आप एक 2 साल के बच्चे को
करना है.
हैंडलिंग अलग है.
It's a tough time for those patients and the family equally.
Yes.
Well, you're also building a mother and child hospital. So as a mother, this must be quite special to your heart, very close one. So what does this project mean to you personally?
This is my baby. This is my third baby, rather fourth baby. I think Cancer Hospital my third baby. But this baby is very precious because जिस मन से, जिस चाह से और जिस thought process से ये बन रहा है, हमें हॉस्पिटल नहीं बनाना है, हमें एक एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर बनाना है. क्योंकि मदरहुड इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी, और वो एक ही मोमेंट होता है जहाँ एक लेडी खुशी खुशी हॉस्पिटल आती है. सो वन इज दैट जर्नी. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली विद द सो मेनी सिनेरियोज, मदरहुड्स भी इतनी इजी नहीं जाती हैं आजकल. एंड नासिक एंड हमारी पेरिफेरी के आसपास कोई भी ऐसा डेडिकेटेड ना बच्चों के लिए हॉस्पिटल नहीं है which can cater to everything.
Emergencies.
Where I'm talking from emergencies, I'm talking to your, चाहे बच्चों के घुटनों का ऑपरेशन हो, बच्चों के हार्ट का ऑपरेशन हो, बच्चों के हाथ में लग गई हो, any kind of emergency, बच्चों की यूरोलॉजी हो, नेफ्रोलॉजी हो, किडनी हो. That's where we are focusing, as an individual Ashoka Women Children Hospital, we want to be fully equipped, where we just say, that you are safe with us, like a trust care together. You are here, we will take care of you from your preconception till the time your child is 18.
Oh.
We are capable of handling all emergencies.
Wow. So this is not just about the deliveries, it is the prenatal
it's a prenatal,
classes and postnatal counselings,
everything.
Lactation support.
Yes, lactation support. And there are a lot of, we have a level 4 in ICU.
Oh,
and
great.
So there is a lot. I don't want to reveal too much here as it unfolds, but there are a lot of new things that we want to do this. We want to make this as an experience.
So when will this be officially open for the community?
Just maximum in a month and a half.
क्या बात है.
Few weeks.
दिवाली के बाद हम लोग देख सकते हैं ये.
बिल्कुल.
Wow.
बिल्कुल देख सकते हैं.
Wonderful. Well, with Ashoka Cancer Center of America and Mother and Child Hospital coming up soon, as you said, within a month's span. So you are creating a lot of new health opportunities for Nashikers. And how do you see these projects shaping up in healthcare sector of Nasik in, say, the coming 5 years, say by 2030?
I think Nasik is a very booming market for healthcare. And considering Nasik में बहुत ज़्यादा inflow है. And now somehow, because of the economic aspects, a lot of people from Bombay also come down to Nasik if they have some family members here. एक तो होता है commercial aspect. Treatment के साथ साथ आपका stay, आपका accommodation. One is on the commercial aspects, and Nasik is a very favorable location. Nasik doctor pool is amazing. Somehow, I still convince a lot of people कि एक वो हमारे मन में वहम है. हाँ, Bombay है,
हम्म।
बट नासिक का पूल बहुत अच्छा है. देयर इज नथिंग कि आपको छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए बॉम्बे भागना है. आई मीन अब
करेक्ट।
जैसे आज घुटनों का ऑपरेशन होता है, आई फील दैट सच केपेबल डॉक्टर्स, रोबोटिक सर्जरीज, ट्रीटमेंट्स, पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव केयर. यू डोंट नीड टू गो टू बॉम्बे. बट
या।
इट्स अ माइंडसेट. तो जैसे आप देखोगे गांव से या पेरिफेरी से, डिस्ट्रिक्ट से लोग नासिक आते हैं, उनके लिए नासिक बड़ा शहर है. नासिक के लोग बॉम्बे जाते हैं,
बॉम्बे
लेकिन वो
जाने के
माइंडसेट शिफ्ट हो रहा है धीरे
हो रहा
धीरे.
है, हो रहा है।
बिकॉज पहले कैसा था, इंफ्रा नहीं था लोगों के
हम्म।
पास. नाउ देर आर लॉट ऑफ चेंज कमिंग अप, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आ रहा है, सर्विस आ रही है. तो मैं जैसे अपनी टीम को बोलती हूँ ना कि हॉस्पिटल इज नॉट हॉस्पिटल, इट इज अ होटल कम हॉस्पिटल नाउ. इट्स ऑल अबाउट द सर्विस.
या।
इट्स ऑल
और
अबाउट द
सभी
सर्विस.
इसमें कंफर्ट केयर एवरीथिंग इज टेकन केयर ऑफ।
Yes. So I think Nasik healthcare scenario is going to increase, but soon should get saturated also. But abhi to there is a lot of opportunity for next 5 years, definitely 5-10 years.
Wonderful. So we can see Nasik becoming as a healthcare
It's a
hub
mini
for
healthcare
North
hub, yes.
Maharashtra.
Yeah, yeah. And if you see, we have some great colleges like SMBT is there.
हाँ.
Chains are there. So many hospitals are there. Apollo hai, Sayadri hai, Ashoka hai. KIMS आ गया है. There's so many places. So healthcare infra
Correct.
is growing. Plus standalone hospitals, standalone doctors are superb here.
Of course. About Sanfit. During COVID-19, Sanfit unit, it pivoted even into the manufacturing of the PPE units, mask, and the protective gloves under your able leadership. And while talking about, and I came to know that it's just 10 days down, you had delivered your second baby. So how did you do all this? Can we know more about this?
So Sanfit ना एक कंपनी है, एक ब्रांड है. One of my very closest friend जो टॉय इंडस्ट्री में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में पिछले 30 years से है. तो उस टाइम ये सब चल रहा था. पीपी किट्स थे. दो एस्पेक्ट से, एक तरफ बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी भी थी, एक तरफ ये भी था कि हमको राइट प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर करना है, क्योंकि मार्केट में कुछ भी आ रहा था.
सही.
10 रुपए का माल, 10-20 रुपीज का सामान 500-600-1000 में बिक रहा था. तो उनकी कैपेसिटी खाली थी. उनका ही हैड द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग स्किल एंड आई न्यू आई हैड द कनेक्ट्स, आई कुड मार्केट इट, वी कुड वर्क अराउंड टेंडर्स, दिस दैट, सप्लायर्स. एंड बस एक फोन कॉल पे डिसाइड हुआ. मैं कहा ठीक है, कर लेते हैं. मेरी प्रायोरिटी क्या थी, हॉस्पिटल नहीं जा सकती थी उस टाइम, बेबी डिलीवर किया था, पर घर से जो कर सकती थी, बैक एंड सपोर्ट कर सकती थी. बस शुरू हुआ. शुरू होते होते बस आगे बढ़ते गए, काम मिलता गया, लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट किया हमारा सामान भी. एंड देन वी गॉट BIS अप्रूवल ऑल्सो. सो बस वो एक छोटे से फोन कॉल पे उन्होंने पूछा, मैंने हाँ भर दिया. मेरे को था हो जाएगा. इजी नहीं गया बट हो गया. तो एवरी एंड उस टाइम कैसा सब घर पे थे, तो बेबी बहुत छोटी थी मेरी, फ्यू मंथ्स, तो वो सोने के अलावा ऐसा कुछ कर भी नहीं रही थी. एंड कैसा शुरू से काम करने की आदत है, बैठने की आदत नहीं है, तो कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहा.
आपने बोला इजी नहीं था लेकिन कर लिया, तो दैट इज व्हाट यू आर, कि बस जंप कर लो, जो होगा कर लेंगे,
हाँ
लेकिन
भी हाँ कर
जंप
दी
कर
तो
लो.
कर लो. मैक्सिमम वी आर गोना मेक मिस्टेक्स, वी आर गोना लर्न एंड
Yeah,
कम
we are
आउट
going
ऑफ इट.
to learn in that.
तो
So
बहुत सीखा उसमें भी.
इसमें हाउ मेनी पीपी किट्स मास्क कितने बनते थे इसमें?
हम लोग डेली हमारा गॉगल्स का प्रोडक्शन, तो वी हैड सम 4-5 वैरायटी ऑफ गॉगल्स. एंड हमारा डेली प्रोडक्शन कुछ 4-5 thousand पीसेस का था फॉर द गॉगल्स. एंड पीपी किट का हम क्या करते थे, हमने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कराई थी बाहर.
अच्छा.
तो
यहाँ
वो
पर नहीं
ऑन
हो रहा
डिमांड
था.
था. नहीं, ये सारा प्लांट वाज इन दिल्ली, नथिंग वाज इन नासिक.
हम्म.
तो पीपी किट हम मेड टू ऑर्डर करते थे, हमने सैम्पलिंग कर रखी थी. मास्क हम इनहाउस करते थे. और डेली 3 ply मास्क प्रोडक्शन वाज अराउंड 4 lakh pieces.
Oh,
या 3 to 4 lakh
huge
के
number.
बीच में ह्यूज नंबर था. एंड वी ऑल्सो डिड N95 मास्क विच इज रफली अराउंड सम 40-50 thousand a day.
तो ये सब जो मास्क और ये सारी चीजें बन रही थी, वेर दे फॉर द फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर्स, या तो
Yes.
फिर जनरल कम्युनिटी के लिए था ये?
Community also, frontline workers also.
Okay.
So they were used in hospitals also, they were used in governments also, both, because the quality was like that. And 3 ply is a normal 3 ply. 3 ply mask तो
हाँ.
वैसे भी यूज होता ही है.
तो कभी ये इस दौरान कभी लगा कि अरे यार, अपन ने जो काम ठीक है, मेरे को कुछ करना है, एंड द अपॉर्चुनिटी केम, कर लिया अपन ने, सो एक लाइन मन में आई कि यस, दिस इज रियली हेल्पिंग पीपल, सेविंग लाइव्स?
So वो बिल्कुल हमने सोचा था कि इसको एक्सपैंड करें, स्केल अप करें, एंड हाउ वी कैन टेक दिस. बट क्या आता है, आई थिंक वो एक मार्केट की डायनामिक्स थी, वो एक फेज था. एंड वो फेज में हमको क्लियर विजन नहीं समझी, क्योंकि क्या हुआ उसमें फिर सप्लाई बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गई, डिमांड सडनली कम हो गई.
सडनली कम हो गया था बाद में.
एक पीरियड वैसा आ गया था. And I'll tell you that market was all about your contacts and relationship market. वो वैसा ही था market.
So when you look back at this complete story of Sanfit making all these PPE kits, so how do you see this now when you turn back?
कई बार हम हंसते हैं इस चीज को लेके कि हम कितने पागल थे. हम मस्ती मस्ती में कर गए ये चीज और बहुत सीखा, बहुत मजा आया.
मजा आया.
मतलब I always look back to it on a smile, and I remember once my husband said this. He'll hate if I quote here. कि एक 45 डेज का पीरियड था जब सभी घर में थे, ऑफिसेज भी बंद थे नासिक में, सब कुछ ही बंद था. My husband says she's the only busy and earning member in the house, and I felt so nice that time because I was super busy that time. I was really busy.
After even delivering the baby, you were the one who was busy.
पर वो मजा,
Wonderful.
नया नया कुछ करने को मिल रहा था.
So you are now leading hospitals, and also you are raising your two beautiful angels. So now, how has being a mother influenced your leadership role?
I think हॉस्पिटल चलाना ज्यादा आसान है than raising two girls or two kids of the same gender.
You are always on your heels and हर दिन कुछ नया challenge उनके साथ.
So I think when you become a mother, वो feeling you can't express it into
Yeah.
words. I think that is the only thing you can say is yours.
Of course.
And मेरे में बहुत ज्यादा पेशेंस है, बहुत पेशेंस डेवलप हो गई मुझ में माँ बनने के बाद. अभी भी इम्पेशेंट हूँ बट काफी इम्प्रोवाइजेशन हुआ. ह्यूमन हैंडलिंग बहुत इम्प्रूव हुई. एक नजरिया बदला कि जब हम अपने बच्चे के साथ ऐसा, अपने बच्चे को इतने प्यार से हैंडल करते हैं तो दूसरे के लोगों को क्यों नहीं, चाहे बच्चा हो, सामने वाला
It has
इंसान हो.
brought more empathy into your
Yeah, more
leadership
empathy.
role with the staff and just about everyone.
Absolutely. And somehow that also, you know, so it just मतलब मेरा एक बहुत, आई डोंट नो हाउ रेलेवेंट इज दिस, बट एक छोटी सी चीज होती है जब आप किसी को एम्प्लॉय करते हो, फीमेल स्टाफ को, आधा टाइम लोग ही सोचते हैं उसकी शादी हुई है नहीं हुई, शादी होगी तो बच्चा कर लेगी. And I always explain my team, I don't even want to get into that. Even if she's pregnant, she's willing to work here, she can join. Because
So nice.
motherhood or marriage is part of a journey. So recently we were just looking at some recruitments and मेरे पास आया है उसकी शादी नहीं हुई, एक आध साल में she's intending to work. मैं कहा she's good, capable of working. शादी तो is part of a natural process that cannot limit her career. So I think
Very
वो
true.
एक मुझे बहुत clarity आई कि नहीं, it is journey and how I can support. My core team is all females.
Great.
And how you can support them in this journey is very important. क्योंकि उसके लिए तो उसका घर चल रहा है ना उस चीज से.
चीज से घर चल रहा है.
तो आई थिंक ये एक मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट डेवलप हुआ ऑन अ पर्सनल लेवल.
I totally
कि
appreciate your
ये नहीं होना
each of
चाहिए.
your word you said.
I mean, and that's something I truly believe. तो बाकी my mother handling, if you ask my children, they always say मम्मी को तो आता ही नहीं हमें हैंडल करना. And that's the reality. So I'm learning with them. We fight, we cry, we have happy moments. We throw things also, so it's okay. We're just normal people.
So AI is just about everywhere and healthcare भी एक डोमेन ऐसा नहीं है जो अभी AI के बिना नहीं है, digital technology. So how do you see this shaping your hospitals?
So I think AI is a very great add-on in terms of improvising your, जो processes पहले automate नहीं हो रहे थे, उनको 100% automation पे लेना. जैसे एक छोटी सी चीज है, आज एक हॉस्पिटल में प्रॉब्लम क्या रहती है, डिस्चार्ज की, कि सुबह डॉक्टर्स राउंड पे आते हैं, बोल देते हैं कि अभी डिस्चार्ज है, एंड प्रैक्टिकली जब वो राउंड खत्म होता है फिर उसकी समरी बनती है, जब तक 11 बजे बोला हुआ पेशेंट शाम को 6-7 बजे तक डिस्चार्ज पे ही जाता है. एंड एक बार जब पेशेंट को बोल दिया जाए ना आप बस जाओ, तो उनकी इम्पेशेंस बिल्ड हो जाती है,
उनके और उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स
फैमिली
दोनों
की भी,
की
कब जाएं कब
डिस्चार्ज
जाएं.
देंगे.
तो छोटी छोटी चीजें अब जैसे एआई से हो रही है, योर स्पीच टू टेक्स्ट कन्वर्जन, व्हाइल डॉक्टर इज गिविंग कमांड्स, आपका डिस्चार्ज समरी वहीं टाइप हो रहा है, एंड देन यू हैव टू डू ओनली करेक्शन ऑन पेपर. So these are very small things. So AI एक हो गया in terms of your processes and systems on automating like your logistics, your inventory management. There's a lot that can happen. Second, I think great use of AI that I personally have seen right now when we are commissioning the whole new hospital, and in our analysis of the medical equipments, even drafting of KRAs, JDs, human resource planning क्या होनी चाहिए सब. ChatGPT and Perplexity have been great aid to me. They have given me insights which even vendors don't know about their product. So it's just about how rightly use them. So I think एक ये मेरे लिए AI का use रहा है.
Mhm.
Third, on the clinical aspect, yes, there are a lot of advancements, with that circadian app and so many new apps being developed. In like neurosurgery, neurology has some 20, 30 AI apps. But maybe I'm coming with a conventional mindset right now. I would still feel a doctor for me has to be a human touch.
Human touch.
Maybe when my daughters grow up 10 years down the line, they'll more believe into it. I come with a conventional approach. Okay, AI is good, but I would still count on the word of a human. Yes, AI can be in that a validation point for me.
Yeah.
So I never Google about my medical reports, and I never advise people
So
don't
what AI
Google.
cannot replace is that human touch.
Because AI is created by humans.
Yeah.
Of course, it's trending because of so much of data sets available, data uploadation.
Yeah.
But medicine is emotions, it's human touch.
Of
Remote
course.
चीजों
So
के
that
लिए
is
है.
something AI cannot replace.
It will replace the way scenario is going, but it's my personal opinion. That's my personal choice. That for anything, I will still prefer a
A human to
human
say कि हाँ
touch.
अभी क्रोसिन ले लो अभी ये ले लो.
तो मुझे लगता है जितना AI भी बढ़ेगा, उतने doctors भी
Doctors भी
बढ़ेंगे.
बढ़ेंगे.
That's how if you see government has sanctioned the healthcare budget is good. They're sanctioning more medical colleges, more facilities, primary healthcare centers.
Just
अगर
something
AI overrule कर देता तो ये क्यों होता?
आपने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया था एआई एंड क्लिनिकल पैथोलॉजी ये तो इस एस्पेक्ट में अगर हम लोग बात करें तो डू वी सी दैट एरा एज वेल कि पेशेंट्स या मदर चाइल्ड घर पर है एंड टेलीफोनिक वे में उनको एक्चुअली केयर मिल रही है एंड इवन गोइंग अ बिट फर्दर ऑल्सो व्हाट their care needs to be addressed at the hospital that is being addressed by sending an AI equipment over there. Do you see such?
Yes, so that's actually already in practice. Telemedicine is not a new concept.
Mhm.
Just that telemedicine आज 7-8 साल पहले बहुत एक्सपेंसिव अफेयर था.
Uh-huh.
अब नहीं है. सो टेलीमेडिसिन इसमें भी दो एस्पेक्ट होते हैं. टेलीमेडिसिन कैसा है कि मैं यहाँ से one of our examples, one of our cousins is in US. She wanted to have a consultation for a baby. So we could easily do it over a video call or a telemedicine platform here. दूसरा एक एस्पेक्ट होता है like suppose आपका एक NICU है, you install cameras
So
around
let's
there.
complete the first one. आपने जो ये टेलीमेडिसिन बोला मतलब इसमें क्या है कि फोन पर सिर्फ जैसे मेरे को अभी what are the ailments that I feel?
Yes,
I say that
yes.
कि I feel like
Yeah,
vomiting,
you
nausea.
narrate your
Yeah.
version and then doctor will also ask you for some reports. So you kind of discuss on the reports. So you can say it's kind of a video call consultation. Second, more advanced aspect into this is, suppose, you're bringing in, that's the concept of 5G ambulances.
अच्छा.
If you're bringing in some people from, say, periphery of Nasik, critical case है कोई. So you can have your equipments link with data sets. तो उसकी live monitoring मेरे hospital में चल सकती है.
Okay.
All parameters can be recorded there.
Okay, until the patient
Reaches to the hospital
and gets the right care.
Yes, and so this is all digital technology. AI कहाँ advance कर रहा है? Like they can capture your diagnosis with your retina, like what Google did. Then your prediction whether you can have a cardiac arrest or not. What are your genes like? To understand all of this, there's a lot of advancement going. Of course, it is advancing. It's an aid to the clinicians also. But eventually, human touch is a human touch. And like you mentioned, telemedicine ho gaya. And AI is not an equipment. It's like a technology. And AI technology आप कैसे gather कर सकते हो with your data, मतलब your Wi-Fi, your cabling connections. So just an enhancement that we are going and making those dots connect and enhance. So patient care में ऐसे हो सकता है. अब जैसे the concept of cloud physician. जैसे छोटे centers होते हैं who cannot have full-time doctors all the time.
There, yeah.
So you can install camera sets. Each patient is individually monitored. The parameters are monitored. The data feed is going to their center. And there the specialist can opine कि इसका ये parameter है, इसको ये दवाई दो. Still, उसके लिए भी उनको local support लगता है.
लगेगा.
अगर डॉक्टर नहीं है पर डॉक्टर के नीचे का बंदा लगेगा. But this is aid. आज मतलब the aid has become जैसे कैंसर हॉस्पिटल में हमारे ट्यूमर बोर्ड का कॉन्सेप्ट है कि जो क्रिटिकल केसेस होते हैं पेशेंट्स के वो डिस्कस किए जाते हैं विद द US बेस्ड डॉक्टर्स एंड जो भी उनका बोर्ड है. सो इट इज नॉट लाइक कि एक डॉक्टर ने बोल दिया यही ट्रीटमेंट करना है. The treatment is also validated. So again, it's a concept of Zoom calls that we are using or video
Okay.
calls that we're using. So this is all the tech advancement that is happening that I am aware of right now. But I'm sure world में बहुत कुछ हो रहा
बहुत
है.
कुछ हो रहा है,
अभी मेरा उतना knowledge
होना
नहीं है
बाकी है अभी.
उसमें. बहुत कुछ होगा. And younger generation is coming up with so much
So
of innovation.
they are the
मुझे
Gen
तो
Z
इतने
now.
आइडियाज ही नहीं आते. मुझे लगता है सोचते कहाँ से हैं लोग.
That's very true. Even that happens when I converse with my daughter. यार तुम लोग सोच के कैसे लेते हो ये
आते ही
सब?
नहीं.
What would you say now after having traveled your journey to a 20-year-old Ankita Parakh?
I think one thing that I've always said to myself, and I would still say, never give up, just show up.
Yeah, sure.
That's a belief since my childhood. I have never given up on things.
And
ठीक है,
you've
कुछ चीज
always shown up,
you
come
have
what
to show
may.
up. You have to gather strength. You have to show up.
Yeah,
मन नहीं कर सकते ना अपने आप को. I would still say the same thing. Just show up.
just show up.
Face
Wonderful
it.
line. What legacy would you like your work in healthcare to leave behind?
I think the culture that we are trying to build, that culture should be continued for years and advancements in that.
So
We should be known for our work.
wonderful. This is the last question for the podcast. What is one thing you are reminded of when I say Aposh Kirti Tiles?
You.
Thank you.
Sheetal Naval.
Yeah. Chalo, let's get on to a fast rapid fire round.
अरे बाप रे.
Yeah. All set?
चलिए कर लेते.
Morning yoga or gym?
Nothing.
Oh. If not healthcare, what career would you be in?
Event management.
Event management. अच्छा वहां पे management word आ गया ना, वो चीज
लोगों को
ingrained
हैंडल
है.
करना पड़ता है.
One word your team would describe you in.
बहुत टफ है, टीम से ही पूछना पड़ेगा.
एक
हाँ,
word, एक
I
word.
think moody.
Is it? I don't
Can
think
be.
so.
Can be.
Motherhood makes you more patient, more strict, or a better leader?
More strict.
More strict. I need to ask this to your children. A healthcare gadget you wish existed.
Healthcare gadget that I wish. I just feel gadgets होने नहीं चाहिए.
Is it? Healthcare में भी नहीं?
नहीं, diagnostic gadgets होने चाहिए.
हाँ.
हाँ, जैसे होता है ना, people have to go through long MRI, CT scan, ऐसा होना चाहिए. बस जाओ, 2 मिनट बैठो, बाहर आ जाओ, सब कुछ स्कैनिंग हो
वो
जानी
बहुत
चाहिए.
स्केरी लगता है,
वो
हमारे की
सबके
मशीन
लिए
पूरा
scary
अंदर
है.
घुस
हाँ,
जाते हैं.
बस.
Yeah.
And ऐसा कुछ बन जाए जिसमें neurosurgery is automated होता है, because that's the
Yeah.
most complex and very skill driven.
True. If your life was a movie, title क्या होता मूवी का?
जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा.
Very aptly said. A book that changed your life.
A book that changed my life. Unfortunately, मैंने ना कभी पूरी किताबें पढ़ी नहीं है. मैं आधी पढ़ती हूँ, छोड़ देती हूँ. But I think something that recently I really enjoyed reading was Buy Back Your Time.
Buy back your time. Bye.
I don't remember the author. Dan Martin. Yeah, Buy Back Your Time, and it talks about how more organized you can be, how you can prioritize your thing, what to pick, not to pick, and the kind of and in fact another book, this Leap the Frog.
Yeah, Leap the Frog.
So I think that whole journey
I've
and the
read this.
exercises that you go through kind of
That
changed
is-
my. Otherwise, I'm not a very motivational reader or things like this. I always write reading. Still, I like reading Chacha Chaudhary, Tinkle, Champak. बच्चों की आती है, I like reading this only.
You know, आप जो बातें बोल रहे हो ना, I see myself somewhere in you. ये चीजें मेरे को भी बहुत पसंद है आज
हाँ,
तक.
आज तक पसंद है.
One role model you look up to?
Role models that I look up to are both my dads.
Wonderful.
They are my role
father
models.
and father-in-law. Favorite childhood memory?
फेवरेट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी वाज हम नानी हाउस जाते थे एंड हमारे घर में नया नया वीडियो गेम आया था एंड आई एम द ओनली सिस्टर एंड 7 ब्रदर्स. तो मुझे हमेशा ऐसे लेवरेज मिलता था मारियो एंड कॉन्ट्रा खेलने का. आई यूज्ड टू लव दैट. आई स्टिल हैव दैट. आई यूज्ड टू लव दैट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी. सब मिलते थे और वीडियो गेम्स पे झगड़ा होता था.
Mario games का still that tone that
Yes.
strikes जब Mario जब
Mario.
बोलते हैं. Your husband in one word.
My partner.
Your
His partner in everything.
Partner in everything.
Everything.
You to your daughters, what would your daughters tell you in one line?
What would my daughters tell me in one line? Mom, be easy.
So, if you could instantly learn a super skill, what would it be? Teleporting? reading someone's mind या healing touch?
Healing touch.
Of course, that's a healthpreneur in you saying. Wonderful. One last question. A dream that you're still chasing.
A dream that I'm actually, the dream that I'm still chasing are many dreams. There are many
Can I
dreams.
have one?
I think something very close is since I've never had a hostel experience, and I have this strong desire of pursuing an MBA from an Ivy League and experiencing educational life on campus again at
Oh,
any
wow.
point in life. I'm very much open to that. That's one of my very close desires and dreams
So
that I
given an
intend to
opportunity, you would want to start the education back on campus,
on campus.
staying in hostel?
Yes,
Oh my
for an
God.
executive
After
MBA or
having
something.
two girls and taking up this, even thinking of this, that sounds wild to me.
I want to
A very
continuously
bold
learn.
decision.
Continuously learn, because learning,
Wonderful.
you have to just adapt and change to changing times.
Yeah,
Just want to do that, nothing.
wonderful.
फिर
Eh,
अपने आप हो जाएगा सब कुछ.
Wonderful. It was, so nice listening to your story, and candidly, you said everything that you said. So, yes, Ankita ma'am, during Navratri, we celebrate different forms of goddesses, and listening to your story has been an inculcation of each of these goddesses and their characteristics. So, I feel you embody the qualities of all in the way you lead and care. Thank you for being here. It was a pleasant journey having you here.
Thank you so much, and I think thank you for taking me through all the nostalgia and the recap. Like, I'm still in that flair कि अरे यार इतना सब छोटा छोटा करते करते आगे बढ़े
आगे
हैं.
बढ़े हैं.
Yes.
And you're here. Wonderful.
Thank you so much for this.